All right, so which one is the graph of this thing, which is in standard form of an ellipse? And so we see in our multiple choices, we have all these ellipses. So the two things we need to find, or three things, I guess, is our center, right? That's the first thing that's going to help us. Next, we find our vertices and co-vertices, or really just the distance in the x direction and the distance in the y direction, in the up and down direction. So let's start off with the center, because we can eliminate stuff just from that. So remember, we do opposite, opposite, and opposite on the inside. Since this is in the inside, we're going to get for the x is -3, opposite. And here, for the y, the opposite of -3 is +3. So my center has to be at -3, +3, which is -1, 2, 3, +3. We can see that this one is definitely not it. Here, same thing, -3, +3, that's not it. And -3, +3. So the center is one of these is in the right place for A and D. So now we just have to find the distances by taking the square roots of these bottom numbers, right? Because this is A squared, this is B squared. Now we have to take the square roots of them. So the square root of 9 is 3, the square root of 4 is 2, which tells me that in the x direction, because it's under the x, we're going to go a distance of 3 in both ways, and also under the y direction, we're going to go a distance of 2. So looking at this, I can see in the x direction, which is left and right, I go left and right 3, and up and down 2, because it's the y's 2, and this one does not match up. So we can look at this one, left and right 3, up and down 2, and yes, this one does definitely match our equation. So the answer is D.